Welcome to this demo of IDEA Architecture, our 3D BIM architectural software. In this video you can watch how you can add your own entities, like a label, in the software library. From the list, you select the library in which you want to add the new label. Let's select 2D Drawing Library. Select a position where there is no other entity. Then select the insertion point. Select the entities. Create the slide. And to save the drawing. The procedure is completed successfully. The new label is saved in the library and you can use it in any drawing. Thanks for listening. You can download the trial version on www.4msa.com.